Student, in this video we see unit mensuration chapter 1 plane figures. In your lower classes you have studied about the formulas of rectangle, square, right angle triangle. Same formulae we use for finding out the perimeter and area of plane figures. So first we do the revision part about rectangle. What are the properties of rectangle, student? We know that in rectangle there are two length and two breadths. Length and length are same, breadth and breadth measurement are same, and this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. Clear? If length and breadth is given and we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, then the formula of a rectangle for finding out the perimeter is 2 bracket length plus breadth. For finding area, we use the formula length into breadth. For finding diagonal, square root length square plus breadth square. If area and breadth is given and we have to find out length, then the formula used is area upon breadth, and if length is given and we have to find out breadth, then the formula is area upon length. Clear? I hope you understood. These things already you have learned in your lower classes, only we are doing the revision part, and on the basis of this formulae we do the exercise of the chapter. Clear, student? And one more property about the rectangle, that we know that in rectangle all the angles are 90 degree, and if we take this part of the rectangle, this is a right angle triangle, right angle at D, and if we take this portion, then this angle B is right angle triangle. Same for this part and same for this part. Clear? And this is the, and these all four angles are 90 degree. Next, about square. In square we know that all the four sides are equal. If we have to find out the perimeter, we know that sum of all sides of a plane figure is the perimeter. So perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Area is side square, diagonal is under root 2a, and if area is given and we have to find out side, then side is square root a, and if perimeter is given and we have to find out side, then the formula is side is equal to perimeter upon 4. Clear? Next, for triangle. We know that there are three types of triangles: equilateral triangle, scalene triangle and isosceles triangle. If a triangle is a scalene triangle means in which all three sides are unequal, then in that case if we have to find out the perimeter is sum of all sides a plus b plus c. Semi perimeter is half a plus b plus c. area is half base into altitude. ये फॉर्मूला एरिया का हम कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब एल्टीट्यूड दिया रहेगा क्वेश्चन में. क्लियर? अगर एल्टीट्यूड नहीं दिया और हमें एरिया निकालना है जहाँ पे तीनों साइड दी हुई है और तीनों साइड डिफरेंट है, उस केस में हम हेरोन्स फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द एरिया. So area is equal to under root s, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. This is Heron's formula where s is semi perimeter. Clear? Next, for equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle we know that all three sides are equal. Clear? So in that case perimeter is sum of all sides, which is 3a. Area is root 3 upon 4 side square. Altitude is root 3 upon 2a. Okay? In this type of triangle, here we use trigonometric formulae for finding out the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to half of area of triangle, half of CA into sin B, which is equal to half AB sin C equal to half BC sin A. Clear? So here we use trigonometric ratio. Now we see the exercise.
Now student, we see exercise 1a of the chapter. Question number 1a. The side of a square is 12 centimeter. Find its area, its perimeter and the length of the diagonal. First we write down the given side of square is 12 centimeter. Formula of finding area is side square. Side is given 12, so 12 square is 12 into 12, which is 144, and unit is centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. Clear? Second, we have to find out perimeter, which is 4 into side. 4 into 12, which is 48 centimeter. Length of diagonal is root 2 into side, which is root 2 into 12 is 12 root 2 centimeter. And the value of root 2 is 1.414. When we multiply 1.414 with 12, we are getting 16.92 centimeter. And last, we have to find out, if question number D, if the area of the square is 225 centimeter square, we have to find out perimeter and length of diagonal. L of D means length of diagonal. Area is given 225, which is equal to side square. Therefore, side is square root 225, which is 15 centimeter. Square root 225 is 15. Perimeter formula is 4 into side, so 4 into 15, 60 centimeter. Length of diagonal is root 2 into side, which is root 2 into 15 is 15 root 2 centimeter. And again we substitute the value of root 2 is 1.414. So 15 into 1.414 is 21.15 centimeter. I hope you understood, student. Okay. So question number 1 is finished. Now we move to question number 2. Now in question number 2, the length and the breadth of rectangle are given 16 and 12 centimeter. We have to find out the perimeter, length of diagonal and area. Perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B, which is 2. 16 plus 12 is 2 into 28, which is 56 centimeter. Length of diagonal is square root L square plus B square. Length is 16 square, breadth is 12 square. 16 square is 256, breadth 12 square is 144. 256 plus 144 is square root 400, which is 20 centimeter. Area is length into breadth, which is 16 into 12 is 192 centimeter square. Okay. Now question number 4a, the area of a square is equal to the area of the rectangle whose measures are 16 and 9 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the square. Also find the ratio of the length of the diagonal of the square and the rectangle. Given area of square equal to area of rectangle, we know area of square is side square. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, which is 16 into 9, which is 144 centimeter. Therefore, side is equal to square root 144, which is 12 centimeter. Now, the perimeter of square is 4 into side, 4 into 12, which is 48 centimeter. Next, we have to find ratio of length of diagonal of square upon length of diagonal of rectangle. We know length of diagonal of square is root 2 into side, and length of diagonal of rectangle is square root L square plus B square. Side of square is given 12, so 12 root 2, and length and breadth of rectangle is given 16 and 9. So 16 square plus 9 square. 16 square is 256, 9 square is 81. So 12 root 2 upon square root 337 is the ratio of the length of diagonal of square to the length of diagonal of rectangle. Clear, student? I hope you understood. So finish this question in your mathematics copy, and in next video we see rest of the question of the same exercise. Thank you, student.